Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today we will learn an interesting topic, and that is article. It is very essential for you from class 6 to 10. It is very important. So we have to understand it clearly, and for your better understanding I will use sometimes Bangla. So let's start our class. At first we have to know what is article. You see, there are three words, a and the. These three words are called article. In Bangla we can say a and the. এই তিনটি শব্দকে আমরা আর্টিকেল হিসেবে চিনি because they used before noun to identify it is definite or indefinite. That's why they are called article. Article always used before noun. For example, a book, an egg, the moon. Here a and the, these three words are article, and book, egg, moon, these three words noun. So we can say article used before noun to identify this is definite or indefinite. I hope now you are clear. And there are two kinds of article. First one definite and second one indefinite. And definite we find the একটি নির্দিষ্ট করে নাউনকে বোঝানোর জন্য আমরা the ইউজ করি, and indefinite a and definite article is used to particularize a noun. We used definite article to identify it is definite or indefinite. So the is definite, and identify an. We use an article to generalize a noun. সাধারণত কোনো সিঙ্গুলার শব্দ কোনো সিঙ্গুলার নাউনকে অনির্দিষ্টভাবে বোঝানোর জন্য আমরা a এবং an ব্যবহার করে থাকি. It's never before plural nouns. Okay, you see where we will use a or an. You see, here is a sentence. He is dash European, and the pronunciation like you. And if the pronunciation or sounds like you have to use a. There is a 1 taka note. Give me dash 1 taka note. Here the pronunciation or sounds like wa. অর্থাৎ যখন কোনো শব্দের উচ্চারণ ওয়ার মতো হবে তখন তোমাকে এ ইউজ করতে হবে. You see here, you or wa. If the sounds like wa or you have to use is before singular noun. Never a plural noun. A is used before sound of you and wa. Follow some examples. A European, a union. There are sounds like you. A university, a useful book, a unique scene, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed deer, a higher Mrs. Amin is dash LLB. Here the pronunciation like a. So we have to use an because there are 5 vowels: a, n, a, I, o, e, u. If the noun sounds like a vowel, that time you have to use an. যদি কোনো শব্দের উচ্চারণ এ অথবা ই অথবা আই অথবা ইউর মতো হয়, সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে অ্যান ইউজ করতে হবে। যদি কোনো শব্দে ভাওয়েল থাকে সেক্ষেত্রে ভাওয়েলের পূর্বে অ্যান ব্যবহার করতে হবে, অথবা কনসোনেন্ট বাট প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন লাইক ভাওয়েল, like as vowel, that time you have to use obviously an, never use a. He is dash honest man, here sounds like as o, it means vowel, that way you have to use an. I will come after dash hour, here pronunciation like a, that's why you have to use an. Now an is used before the sounds of a, o or a. Follow some examples. An hour, here s is silent, though s is consonant but we never use h, that's why we use hour. It like sounds like as vowel, that's why we have to use an. An honest, here s is also silent. An ma, an mp, an llb, an mla, an sh o. But remember one thing, we have dash projector in our class. He sent me dash email, here the pronunciation or sounds like as paw, it means it's consonant and you have to use a. And here he sent me email, here the pronunciation like e, it means it is a vowel, that's why you have to use an. When the sound like as vowel or use vowel, you have to put an. When you will find no sound of u, y, a or a, what will you do? Let's see. If you find a consonant as the first letter of the word, that means this 2 into 1 words, then you have to use obviously you have to write a before the noun or before the word. He is dash boy, here we find b or bo, that's why you have to use a, because b is a consonant, that's why you have to use a. If you find a vowel as the first letter of the word, that means a, e, I, o, u, these all are vowels, there are 5 vowels. If you find this one in a sentence, you have to use an before the word. You see, here is an example, it is dash import, it means e, it is a vowel, that's why you have to use an. You have to remember that a or an is always used before a single noun, never before a plural noun. Suppose I have a pen, this is a singular noun, that's why you have to use a. But I have a pens, here pens is plural, that's why you cannot use a, it is wrong. This is an egg, here egg is singular, that's why you have to use an, because e is vowel and we know before the vowel we have to use an. But this is an eggs, it is wrong, because here x is plural and we can never use an before plural, so this is wrong. See, some consonant sound before a. Now you see some common used of articles. If the word start with consonant, you have to use a. If the noun is singular, never before plural. And if the word start with vowel, you have to use an. Now some special use of a. A is used before the sense of a person. It means if you compare with a famous person, you have to use a. In Bangla we can say যখন তুমি কাউকে কোনো বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তির সাথে তুলনা করবে সেক্ষেত্রে you can use a. And the superlative word most when it means very. It means in Bangla we can say superlative word, we know most is the superlative word, but when it refers অর্থাৎ most যখন very অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়, that time you can use a. Here see, he saw a most beautiful wonderful sight. It is the most interesting story. Here we can use a. There are two sentences. Mr. Roviat is an LLB. He is a one-eyed boy. Mr. Dohan is a BBA. This is a unique picture. Why we used a before this word, you have to identify. Let us go for a work. This is you. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. You have to use this. And this is your home task. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. My dear students, I hope you have enjoyed this class and you have got the point where we have to use a and an. In next class we will learn where we have to use the. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.